a Thomas. Let me see. Alright, turn it on.
Okay. Where's the button?
Alright, well, turn the light on.
Turn the light on?
It's right here. Alright, now push it on the floor. Let me see how it goes.
Let me push it.
Okay, push it. Oh, here he comes. Wow.
Follow me.
I'm following you. Let's see. Alright. Here he comes. That's really cool, buddy. That's a really cool Thomas.
I love Thomas. Thomas. I love Thomas.
I'm glad we got that one. That's really neat.
I'm still bumping.
Alright, hold him up one more time. Let me see him. Let me see that Thomas. Wow, that's a beautiful Thomas. Alright, say bye-bye.
Bye.